Welcome to VividWhispers, this exciting platform where creativity meets innovation. In this short tutorial, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to generate images using our platform. Ready? Let's dive in. Navigate to our homepage at VividWhispers and look for the Create button. See it there? Great. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see a text box at the top left of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can type in your prompt or command. This is what will guide the image generation process, so be creative. Not sure what to type? Here are some examples of prompts and the incredible images they can generate. Want to add a little extra flair? Choose a filter if you desire. You'll find them right below the text box. Simply select the one that matches your vision. Ready to see your creation? Click on the arrow button you see beside the text box. Hold on to your seats as VividWhispers generates the visual interpretation of your typed command. Now comes the fun part. Select the images that resonate with you. Feel free to explore and choose the one that fits your vision. Almost there. Next, add a heading to your creation. Don't forget to tag it so others can discover your work. Finally, hit the Submit button to share it with the world. And there you have it. You've just generated an image on VividWhispers. We can't wait to see what you create. Visit us at vividwhispers.io and start exploring your creativity today.